Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 15, approximately, adverb. American pronunciation, approximately, a-prox-i-mate-ly, approximately. British pronunciation,
approximately, a-prox-i-mate-ly, approximately.
meaning, approximately means almost, but not exactly. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are approximately half, approximately linear, approximately 1 in 3 people. Example sentence number 1, approximately adverb, traveling to London takes approximately 4 hours. And there are approximately 11,000 tree species in the Brazilian Amazon. Now you can use approximately confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!